guys, welcome to my TS channel. Today we are going to learn how to make pasta. The ingredients we need are pasta, onion, any type of vegetable, but I am taking carrot and beans, chili flakes, ginger, red chili powder, sauce, salt, oil and soya sauce. Let's start. Take a small vessel and pour some water for boiling. Now let it boil for 2-3 minutes. Now the water started boiling. When water starts to boil, add half spoon of salt and a spoon of oil. Now mix it properly. Now add pasta. Now mix it properly. After mixing, let it boil for some minutes. When the pasta is boiled, it looks like this. Now it is boiled. Now turn off the gas. Now strain this. Now take some cold water and wash it. Now take a vessel and pour some oil. After the oil gets heated up, pour some onions. Now mix it. Now after the onion fries, add some garlic. Now add your favorite vegetables. Now let them fry for some time. After fried, take some chili powder and add it, chili flakes and salt. After mixing properly, now add some pasta and mix it well. After mixing properly, now add some sauce and soya sauce. Make sure that you does not add too much of soya sauce. Now mix it well. After mixing well, now your pasta is ready. Let's taste it. It's very tasty. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and don't forget to comment.